Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then do share with your family and friends. So by sitting in India, how we can invest in US stocks by our Indian Demat account. Okay, so one option is there, okay, in which you can invest in these 10 companies. First of all, let's see which are the companies. The company names are Alibaba, Facebook, Alphabet, Apple, Baidu, Nvidia, Amazon, Netflix, Twitter, Tesla. So these are the 10 companies, okay, in which you can invest by your Demat account. In any company's Indian Demat account, if you have, so you can invest into this. How? So Mere Asset has did the collaboration with New York Stock Exchange and NYSE and created one ETF, equity traded fund, which is named as Mafang, MAFANG. If you click into your Zerodha in search option MAFANG, then you will see over here that it is of 53.27 rupees. So simply just click on it and you can buy 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, any number of unit into your Demat account. Okay, so the fluctuation of this particular ETF is based upon these 10 stocks which I told you recently. Okay, so if these stocks go up, then this particular ETF also go up. If these stocks go down, then the particular ETF goes down. Okay, so let's see why you should invest into this particular ETF. This is very much focused and equal weightage of exposure has been given. Okay, so means if 10 stocks are there, 10% equally weightage has been given to each stock. So these stocks has high growth technology shares, the internet shares, as well as the media shares. The portfolio of the companies which are geared to participate in future technology dispersions. Okay, it provides you the passive international exposure predominantly to US market at low cost. So you do not have to open any Demat account in US, you do not have to contact to any broker in US. So simply in your Indian Demat account you can buy this particular ETF, and as per your pocket size. It's not like that you have to buy 100, 200, 500. You can buy 1, 2, 5, 10 according to your availability of funds. Okay, so if we talk about the horizon period investment, then it should be 3+ years. It will be a wealth creator for you. It will give you the diversification along with your Indian equity market exposure to international exposure. Okay, so indirect way you are investing to the international market by sitting into the Indian market. So if we talk about the riskometer of this particular ETF, then it is very high. So I must suggest you that apart from Indian equity, you should also invest into this particular ETF. Okay, it will give you exposure outside India. Okay, that is the thing which I want to convey to you through this video. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much.